Hey everybody, I'm Kareem from My Dream Life, and this is Rumi, and this is Make Room for Rumi. So we will be making a special Valentine's Day meal you can have for dinner, for lunch, for brunch. It's a wonderful time, and look at this. We got actual Valentine's Day pasta. What we're first gonna do is get this pasta boiling, and then I have a pan, and we're gonna make some sausage to put in the pasta. We're gonna get our sausage mix ready. We're gonna pour this into the pan. Woo, yeah, all right, I'll get the rest. All right, it started sizzling. We're gonna cook the pepper down just a little bit before we put in this.
Sausage.
It's sausage. Yeah, eat that pepper. You can eat that pepper. Do you like bell pepper? Not really? That's not one of the ones you listed. Okay. You want to try it? All right, go ahead and try it. Girl, did you even try it, or did you just taste it? But
I tried it.
you tried? Oh, she said I tried it. Okay.
It's not that spicy.
Oh no, these are not spicy peppers. Bell peppers are not spicy peppers. There are spicy peppers that are like chili peppers, jalapeno. Oh no, this is a very mild, this is something like you would have on tacos or fajitas or, oh no, yeah, it's not a hot pepper. I forgot to tell you that. That is my fault. All right, so we have some seasoning. This is garlic powder, and we're gonna put some of that in there. This is onion powder. This is Italian seasoning. I will not have you smell this because this will definitely make you sneeze. This is some pepper, and this is some salt, okay? So since we have plain sausage, we're gonna be able to season it up with the peppers, okay? So I'm gonna put this in. You know what? Do you like pasta? Pasta dishes?
Yes.
Yes, I like pasta too. What's your favorite kind of pasta dish?
Regular one with the sauce on it.
With regular sauce. So when you say like, is it spaghetti or is it macaroni?
The spaghetti.
Spaghetti? So the long spaghetti. You like spaghetti. Do you like your spaghetti with meat or just with like cheese? Meatballs, ground meat?
Meatballs.
Meatballs? You like meatballs? Okay. I think we're gonna have you put in the first little bit of, let's grab the
Salt.
salt. All right, put that much in there. Go ahead. There we go. Like aim for the middle, all right? All right, so next we're gonna put in the pepper. Come on, lean over a little bit. That's better, there you go. All right, Italian seasoning. Next one. Yep, that's the Italian seasoning. It's gonna give it nice earthy flavor. You don't know what that is, but trust me, it's good. All right, either the garlic or the onion powder. Which one are you gonna put in next? Garlic powder, all right, right in the middle.
Here.
Right there, yep, all in. And then you can stack the bowls. Yep, you're stacking them, that's a good thing. All right. And lastly, it's gonna be the onion powder. All right, now we're gonna get this all mixed up. Look at this, I want you to take a look. Now remember how it looked before when we put it in? What color was the meat when we put it in initially? You remember?
Red.
It was like a reddish pink, exactly. And so you can tell that meat is getting cooked when it changes color, okay? Real quick, let's turn around. Turn around. Oh, the pasta's starting to boil. So our meal is coming together. It's gonna be really, really great. Now, I know you said you like sauce, but we're actually just gonna have a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of butter, and that's how we're gonna eat it. Because I really want us to taste the pasta and taste the sausage. I guess making funny faces is much better. This pan over here now. That's good. Is that good? That has
Don't
candles.
go burn yourself.
I will not. Thank you very much for being concerned. Pour this, which is the sausage and the red pepper that we cooked up. We're gonna pour this right over top of the pasta and mix everything in. Now,
Yummy.
it does look yummy. I'm gonna give her a nice serving, and then we're gonna wait for it to cool off a little bit, and then she can go ahead and taste it. So now it's all ready to go. I have a little bit in a bowl. This is Rumi's plate. She has some with her cucumber that she cut up, and she has some with the mixture. We have my son, who is also a taster, so you know he never wants to be on camera. I'm gonna put a little bit of Italian seasoning on mine. You want some of this on yours? You wanna taste this? Yeah? Everybody's gonna taste it. We are tasting the pasta and the sausage first. You like it? I think it tastes good with no sauce. See, yeah, All right, red pasta that you saw in the bag, it's now a lot lighter. It was flavored with beet juice and tomato juice, and so it makes sense that it kind of faded. So, try this out. Get any pasta you want. A little sausage, a little pepper, butter and oil. Valentine's Day, any day. It's good. Lunch, brunch, good to go. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining, all of us, for another episode of Make Room for Rumi. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye bye.